Okay, so I grabbed some steel wool and I am totally surprised on how well the legs are cleaning up. So look at this one. And I did the inside too. Now it might not look quite as good, but it looks pretty good. And you can see this one. And that's where I'm working now. So what a difference. It'd be better if I had it off the machine and then did them, but you know, I don't feel like taking them off. I ended up stripping the one, so, and it's just kind of hard if you don't have the right height to set it on and everything. So I think I'm doing a pretty good job. And I'm going to go all the way around. I'm using a pretty coarse steel wool, so I have to be careful not to hit the paint too much or at all. But it's cleaning up really good, so I didn't think they mattered that much, but now that they look this good, it does make it look much better. Okay, so let's continue with the legs. Get them cleaned up, and then when we do get to waxing, we could wax them too. I don't see why not. Give them a little love and care.